Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So if this is the first time you ever clicked on my video, welcome first of all. Second of all, thank you. And third of all, how about subscribe? My name is Robin. I'm plus size, as you can see. And this right here is going to be a plus size haul, and then I'm gonna try on, but first of all I'm going to do the accessories, but I'm gonna try on all the different things I have later on in the video. But I'm going to start off. I went to Walmart and I got this hat, and this is basically a little regular ball cap hat. I got it on clearance for $2, if you can see that. And yeah, let me see, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. Look, so cute. I think I'm gonna get a couple more colors because they were on sale. And these right here, all these are all chokers, and I got these chokers ranging from $3 to, well, 50 cents. I was about to say $1, but 50 cents. And if you don't believe me, just watch. That says $1, and this says $3 right there. Now my $3, let me show you those first. It's actually these little, I would guess these are leaves. So it's a little gold choker. That's leaves. I can't get it right. They're little leaves. You can see them. They kind of tangled. I got it all screwed up. And this is how it looks if it was on, which is cute. And for $3, can't beat that. Okay. And this is my second one that I got for $3. And this one is rose gold. Look at that. It's like a little hangy spider web, is what I call it. And let me show you how it will look on. I don't know if I have this on the right way, but this is how this will look on, which is cute. Real cute. With a bodysuit or something? Yes. Okay, so all of these were 50 cents. All the ones I'm about to show you now, they were 50 cents because there were two, it came in a little board like this, and they had two on there, so they were like 2 for $1. So this one is rose gold, and it's got like the little keyhole, and this is how it would look if it was on, which is cute. I'm thinking, oh yes, for 50 cents you can't beat it. Okay, next I have this one, which is really a bow with little tassels. And let's see if I'm gonna have it right. This is how I will wear this one, and I guess I will pull these up so they could look like that. Cute. Now I've been a choker fan since I was young, so when they bring this trend back out, I was here for it. Okay, and this one is similar to the other big one. Big, I don't know, the little hoop. But the only difference they have with this one is they have little clamps, snaps, which I didn't think that, I was planning on giving to my daughter, because I didn't think that this was going to clamp on my neck, but it actually clamped on my neck, and I can get it to the second one. And it's so much easier than trying to get the other ones to connect. Look at that, and just snap off. All right, I have this one. I call my little tribal print, and it's just a brown with 3 little beads right there. And let's see, put this one on. I always like to open them up, so it'll be something like this. And if you hear any noise, I'm sorry, but I am not going to stop a working man while he's working. My husband's up in there washing dishes, And I'll be darned if I'm gonna stop them. So if y'all hear it, I'm sorry. Okay, my next one I have here is this black one, which I probably should have detangled it before I made this video, huh? So I'm sorry, y'all. I had to detangle it, and it still looks like it's tangled. So it looks like this, which I don't know, this little part. And I'm gonna put it on, and it looks, I think it's similar to the brown one. And it's like that, except for it has this long little string, which is cute. All right, and lastly, I have this one, which is gold. And let me unclamp it. It's this gold one. And it has this little string. And this is how it looks on, which is cute. So all those were 50 cents, like I told you, and the other ones were $3. Next, I have these shoes, which you're going to see in the try-on portion. I got these from City Trends. Decided to go back there again. I guess because they have some, they got really hit and miss things, but these are, you'll see them when I try them on, and they were $9.99. And I have these right here. That's how the front look. These are comfortable. The other ones are not. And they were $7.99. Really? I'm sorry, y'all. For $7.99 for these. So you see the price alone should tell you about the quality. But I'm gonna try. I'm gonna see what it does. Because usually that's not my ordeal. But if you're really shopping on the budget, hey, I guess it wouldn't hurt. So I will see you all in the try-on portion. Why don't you go ahead and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all. Okay, this first piece is a black bodysuit. It's 3X. I got it for $8.99. It was originally $14.99. And as you can see, I showed you the ankle part. The ankle part is loose. It's not a very tight ankle, which I don't like at all. So I'm probably going to hem it or sew it to make it a little bit tighter. But yeah, it's a little loose. So this is very true to size. I need to start getting 2X's. I don't know why I get a 3X, but I don't ever like to ship it back. But other than that, it's a nice bodysuit. Next, I have this white faux fur. I can't really say that. But it's in the 1X. It was originally $14.99. Also, I got it on sale for $8.99. I'm going to link everything below. But this right here is great for layering on top of pieces. Matter of fact, I'm thinking about doing a video of how I can use this vest in multiple ways. Give me a thumbs up if you want to see that type of video. And yeah, it's linen on the inside and it's that fur type on the outside, and it doesn't shed that much either. So yeah, and this is a 1X. So I don't think I could close it up, or maybe I can. Yeah, I can a little bit. Okay, I got these shoes from City Trends. They were $7.99. This is a size 9. As you can see, they're cute, but I have no clue on the quality. They may last a year, they may not, but they might be perfect to just wear to a party or something if you need a pair of shoes. Okay, after you just seen me have my little dance break, I also got these shoes from City Trends. These are a size 9. These are not comfortable at all. They were $9.99, and once again on the quality, I don't know. I will let y'all know if they actually last. I have a pair of shoes that actually last me 2 years from City Trends, so you never know. Okay, the last item that I got from City Trends was this stripe jacket. It's 1X. Yeah, that was a 1X. It was $5 on the clearance rack. It's made like a polyester, I guess you want to call it. It has a lot of stretch. It has stretch in it, and it feels like some kind of polyester or something. It's not cotton, but as you can see right there, it doesn't fit you in the waist. If you have a small waist, it's not going to fit you. This 1X fit almost like a 2. It fits like a 2X, I would say. Maybe stretching it if I say a 3X, but it fits really big. So if you are a 2X, you can get away with this 1X jacket. Now, it's originally $6.99, which is not bad for like a little jacket. It's not that structure, but if you put an iron to it and iron it down, then this would definitely last you for a couple of years. Okay, moving on to Route 21 Plus. This is a ivory off the shoulder bell sleeve top, and it looks like it's a crop top, but I'm not certain. It fits me like a crop top, and I got this in a size 1X. Yeah, I think it's a 1X. It was originally $16.97, but I got it on sale for $5.09. Can y'all believe that? But this is actually cute. I never had bell sleeves before. Okay, I got this. This is more of a dressy type jumpsuit to me, but it's a V-neck. It's a sleeveless jumpsuit. I got this in a size 3X. Its original price was $27.99, but I got it for $8.40. Can y'all believe that? It was on sale for some reason, and I jumped on it real quick. It's on the website. I will link it down below. And I think this is cute. I got it, once again, too big for me. At least that's what it looked like to me, because in the legs it is super huge, and up there in the boobage area it seemed very huge, but it don't look that way on film. I know it's supposed to flow out, but it's very big. So you can definitely get away, if you're somewhere around my size, you can get away with maybe a 2X or even a 1X. Okay, so that's it for my haul. I hope that you enjoyed it. Once again, I will link as many pieces that I possibly find down below. City Trends, I know I can't because I went in store, but I'm pretty sure if you have a City Trends nearby, go take a look in there. You might could find you some treasures. But until then, I want all my beauties to stay blessed, and I'll see y'all on the next haul. Bye, y'all.